Guys, in this video, we are going to unbox Anker C200 Webcam, which I just bought from Amazon Black Friday sale for £44. We'll check that is it worth for that money or not, and I will give my honest review for that. So let's get started. So this is software user interface. As you can see, there are multiple resolution size like 720p, 2K, and you can see the angle is also good. Like if you use 65, it will give you a portrait picture. 78 will give you a little bit background, but 95 will give you entire wide view, and which is, I guess, quite good. Then again, there are all the brightness, saturation and sharpness control over here. Optimizing brightness and the white balance, focus, autofocus. I think autofocus will be good option who don't want to manually change the things. Then the microphone, you can see it is a omnidirection on the directional pickup. So I haven't applied anything, any filter, not neither change any brightness. So let's text first autofocus. So I have changed few settings, like I have changed brightness and saturation. I'm not sure if you see any difference. So let's compare now on this left side. Uh, this is Anker C200, and on the right you can see this is iPhone 11 camera. So as clarity wise, I can say the iPhone 11 camera is better. So coming to the review, webcam is good. It's value for money. However, if you have any spare phone with you, it's better to use that phone as a webcam rather than buying a webcam. And if you have little bit more budget, so rather than buying good webcam, you can invest and buy second hand iPhone and use that iPhone as your webcam. So why I did buy this webcam? So I don't have any other spare phone. So using primary phone as a webcam have major drawbacks, like you can't receive a phone, you can't check messages. So that's why I have bought this webcam. So if you find this video useful, please do like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.